Welcome to FreeCodeCamp. What would you like to learn today, Rafat?
I would like to learn how to assemble gaming desktop, and I would like to know its specifications.
You would like to learn how to assemble the gaming desktop. I will show you today how we'll assemble step by step my gaming desktop and how to choose. For example, the monitor, I choose the refresh rate is 220. There is most of the monitor 60 Hz refresh rate. I prefer more than 60, like 120. If you don't have 280, enough 120, because 280 is very expensive. Let's start assembly step by step, and you will see the gaming desktop at the end. Thank you, and please subscribe, join my family with FreeCodeCamp.
Do not forget to subscribe.